Have you ever stopped to think about that little piece of metal that grants you access to your car? It's a small object, but it represents a fascinating journey through automotive history. In the early days of automobiles, things were much simpler. Cars were a novelty, and security wasn't a major concern. Early automobiles often used basic locking mechanisms, some resembling padlocks, or even hidden levers. But as cars became more common, so did the need for better security. Inventors and engineers tinkered with various locking systems, each more elaborate than the last. It was a race to outsmart the increasingly cunning car thieves of the time. The year 1949 marked a turning point in car security history. Chrysler, a leading car manufacturer, introduced the revolutionary ignition key. This wasn't just any key, it was a symbol of progress and a sign of things to come. The metal key, with its unique cuts and grooves, promised a new era of security for car owners. The first car keys were quite simple. They were designed to start the engine and unlock the doors, nothing more. But for the first time, car owners had a sense of security knowing that their vehicles were a little bit safer. However, these early keys weren't without their flaws. It was like a game of cat and mouse between car manufacturers and those who sought to outsmart them. The 1950s brought about another significant development in the evolution of car keys, the dual-function key. This ingenious invention combined the ignition key with the ability to lock and unlock the car doors. This era also saw the introduction of the steering wheel lock, a simple yet effective anti-theft measure. Now, drivers could not only lock their car doors, but also immobilize the steering wheel, making it much harder to steal. The dual-function key was a symbol of convenience and practicality. It was a small but significant step towards the integrated and user-friendly car key systems we enjoy today. Fast forward to the 1980s, and the world witnessed another revolution, the rise of the remote key fob. This was a giant leap forward, allowing drivers to lock and unlock their cars from a distance. Remember the days of dashing through the rain to unlock your car? The remote key fob made those soggy memories a thing of the past. This innovation wasn't just about convenience, it also brought about keyless entry systems. The remote key fob quickly gained popularity, becoming a sought-after feature in new cars. But more importantly, it made life easier for millions of drivers, eliminating the hassle of traditional keys. As we entered the 21st century, car key technology took another significant leap forward with the introduction of smart keys. These sophisticated devices took convenience to a whole new level. Imagine starting your car without even taking your key out of your pocket. That's the magic of a smart key. Smart keys work by constantly transmitting a low-frequency signal. When the car detects this signal within a certain range, it automatically unlocks the doors and prepares for ignition. But the benefits of smart keys go beyond just unlocking and starting your car. They can also remember your preferred seat and mirror settings, activate climate control remotely, and even open the trunk automatically. In the 2010s, the automotive world embraced digitalization like never before. This digital revolution extended to car keys, giving rise to the concept of digital keys. Now your smartphone could become your car key, thanks to the wonders of Bluetooth technology. BMW and Tesla led the charge in this digital transformation, offering smartphone-based access systems that allowed drivers to unlock, lock, and even start their cars using a dedicated app. This technology eliminated the need for a physical key altogether, ushering in an era of unprecedented convenience. With digital keys, you can simply send a virtual key through the app. Looking ahead, the future of car keys promises even more exciting possibilities. Biometric security, long a staple of science fiction, is becoming a reality in the automotive world. Imagine unlocking your car with a simple fingerprint scan or a facial recognition system. This technology is already being implemented in some high-end vehicles, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes more widespread. Biometric security offers an unparalleled level of protection against theft, making it virtually impossible for unauthorized individuals to access your car. The journey of the car key has been remarkable, from humble beginnings to the cusp of biometric security. So, the next time you hold your car key, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating history and exciting future of this everyday object.